Our next question for June 18 is a sequence A1, A2, A3 is defined by A1 is equal to 4, AN plus 1 is equal to AN over AN plus 1. Where n is greater than 1 and a natural number. Find A2, A3, A4 and write your answer as simplified. This is a very easy question. You only have to put the value. Now instead of this n, I just put 1. So I replace this n by 1, this n by 1, this n by 1. So what I'll be having is A 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to A1 over A1 plus 1. They have already given us this value, and that's the reason they have given, because they know that we are going to get this in the formula. So A1, that is 4 over 4 plus 1, so that is 4 over 5. A3, now put this as 2, so what we have is A2 over A2 plus 1. Now A2 is what? 4 over 5 over 4 over 5 plus 1. So this is 4 over 5 and this is 4 over 5 plus 1 is 5 times 1 is 5, 5 and 4 9, 9 over 5. This cancels, so that is 4 over 9. And A4, that will be A3 over A3 plus 1. Now A3 is what? 4 over 9. And 4 over 9 plus 1, 9 times 1 is 9 and 4, 13 over 9. So this cancel, so that is 4 over 13. So A2 is 4 over 5, A3 is 4 over 9 and A4 is 4 over 13. These are very easy questions. So this question was of 3 marks. I think it's very easy, less time consuming. Now part B and C. Let's see what is the part B is. Write your answer in simplified. Okay, we have already done. Given that AN is equal to, now there's another formula, AN is equal to 4 over PN plus Q. So state the value of P and the value of Q. So we have to find the value of P and Q. 4 is known, P we don't know, Q we don't know, A we don't know, N. Okay, let's put N is equal to 1. So what we have is A1 is equal to 4 over Pn, P multiply 1 plus Q, and A1 is 4. So this 4 and 4 cancel, so P plus Q is equal to 1. Now same way N is equal to 2. For N is equal to 2, we have A2 is equal to 4 over P into 2 plus Q. Now A2, we have already calculated, A2 is 4 over 5. So this is equal to 4 over 5. So sorry, I'm writing 4 this and this anyway. So what we have is 2p plus q is equal to 5, and here we have p plus q is equal to 1. So we subtract p is equal to 4 and q is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So what we have is p is equal to 4 and q is equal to minus 3. So this is the solution of the second part to calculate the value of p and value of q. Now part C is, hence calculate the value of n such that an is equal to for what value of n it is equal to 4 over 321. The formula for an is 4 over Pn. P is 4, n plus q. Q is minus 3. So this cancel. It means 4n minus 3 is equal to 321. 4n is equal to 321 plus 3. That is 324. So n is equal to 324 over 4. And that is equal to 81. So n is equal to 81. So this is the solution.